Well, we definitely started that cool down yesterday, though it still felt pretty warm in the afternoon. If you were right in the Central Sound, I think our hot spot yesterday was Renton. They hit 87 degrees, so they only cooled off a couple. But most places dropped off into the low to mid 80s. One of those being Olympia that hit 84 degrees yesterday. SeaTac hit 83, so definite improvement over those upper 80s and low 90s for sure. Take a look out this morning. We've got a pretty quiet morning overall. You can see, looking out for Everett Tower Cam, the skies begin to brighten up a little bit. A few high clouds there, but we are seeing the marine air move its way in from the coast through the strait and over the Chehalis Gap into the South Sound. So you may wake up to gray skies, but not a big weather change, just bringing in some cooler and cleaner air that's going to be with us. You can see the clouds just kind of working their way in there around Mount Pilchuck there, looking out towards the Cascade foothills and getting a little bit of that pre-sunrise color going on at this point. Checking out the view there at Space Needle with the All-Star banner on the top of it. We've got, you can see the low cloud sitting behind it. I think it's because there isn't any real wind to speak of out there. As you can see, looking at the plumes coming up, I think it's really zoomed in on that shot of the Space Needle. Take a look at the Tacoma Tower Cam. You can see some very light southerly winds this morning. A sign we've got that marine air coming in and cleaner air, which is going to be great news. There at Westport, seeing a few drops go by, but don't be frightened. That's just a little bit of drizzle they have out there, and just gets highlighted by that the spotlight that they have. It isn't really amounting much out there, but just a sign that we've got a pretty good marine deck for the coastal areas. That good news also is the fact that we've got good air quality after having that kind of nasty couple of days. Things in pretty good shape now, and we should have those blue skies back as we head towards later this morning and this afternoon and get the clouds cleared off the area. Take a look at the picture there from, not the picture, but the temperatures this morning. Mostly mid-50s as you head out the door today, so we're in pretty good shape overall. Checking the computer model, you can see it shows the low clouds, not an absolutely solid deck over us this morning. And then as we head towards later on this morning, it will start to clear out, and by noontime, most places should already be seeing sunshine. Should turn into a mostly sunny afternoon, but a little bit cooler today. Those high temperatures today dropping back most spots into the mid to upper 70s to right near 80 degrees. And then clouds move right back in again overnight tonight, though they may burn off a little bit more quickly tomorrow, and the same again on Sunday. So for today, morning clouds and sunshine, high temperatures today in the 70s to right near 80 degrees. So we head towards Saturday and Sunday, still some morning clouds, but still sunshine. Temperatures in the 70s to low 80s. We'll cool a little bit on Monday for the All-Star game on Tuesday, mid to upper 70s, not too bad. Wednesday and Thursday staying in the mid to upper 70s and kind of in that same range of upper 70s and near 80 degrees all the way through the following weekend.
Thank you, Rich.